Love Island star Jack Keating revealed he was single just days before announcing the birth of his first child. Jack, 23, welcomed his baby daughter into the world by posing a sweet snap on social media. The mother of the baby and Jack not believed to be together, as Jack said he was on Hinge in the lead-up to the birth. The new dad, who is the son of Boyzone's Ronan Keating and his ex-wife Yvonne Connolly, appeared on the 2022 series of Love Island. His stint on the ITV dating show didn't last long, as he was dumped from the island after 5 days. Just last week, Jack dished the dirt on his dating life since leaving Koh Samui. "I'm on Hinge, the dating app, but I don't use it too seriously. I dip in every once in a while and I'm enjoying being single," he told Independent Ireland. "People think my account is fake. I'm verified, but they still believe I'm a catfish who's stolen someone else's photos. I'm like, trust me, I'm the real deal." The Mirror has contacted Jack Keating for comment. Jack took to Instagram to announce his news in a heartwarming post on Thursday evening. He shared a black and white photo of him and his daughter, captioned, "Welcome to the world, my little princess emoji." His Irish singer dad Ronan Keating, 46, commented about being a granddad for the first time by saying, "Little cutie, heart emoji." While Jack's mum Yvonne added, "I miss her so much already, pink heart emojis." Jack was also flooded with other congratulatory messages from former Love Island contestants including Luca Bish and Danica Taylor. However, the announcement also created some confusion for fans. They pointed out the baby could have been conceived before Jack's time in the Love Island villa. One user commented, "I know I'm bad at maths, but the math ain't mathing on this at all. Love Island isn't even 9 months ago yet. I mean, I know accidents happen, but..."
Now